are people who are either physically or mentally disabled. Based on the data, about 50% or more than 1 billion people in the world are disabled, as well as a group of the biggest majority in the world. And 82% of the disabilities is in developing countries.
In Indonesia, based on the main data and information from the Social Ministry in 2010, the amount of disabled people in Indonesia is around 11 million people. And among 3 million are blind, 3 million are physically disabled, 2 million are deaf, 1 million are mentally disabled, and 1 million are chronically disabled.
Based on this data, we can see that a lot of people in this world, including Indonesia, are disabled. In order to help them, our company built an app that will support disabled people in a way of providing things that are useful for them, especially when they are in tourist attraction.
Our product is an application which we can use in both Android and iOS. In this application, we provide help for people with both mental and physical disabilities, so they could enjoy tourism in a way where they are convenient yet safe.
There are many forms of help that we provide. The first service is where the user can summon a helper, which we will provide them during the tour. The user can choose which helper they need based on the user disabilities. We call this service Tap for Care.
The second service is where the user can order equipment they need based on the user's disabilities. They will then return the equipment after they're done using it. We call this service Tap for Equipment.
The third service is where the guardian of the user could ask for a tracking bracelet. This bracelet is useful for the guardian to keep in track with the location of the one who's wearing the bracelet. For this service, we like to call it as Tap for Track.
And last but not least, this application will provide a service called Tap for Health. For this one, the user can track the location of the nearest hospital and also seek for the help from the said hospital.